Question number 24. So right triangle ABC is shown. What is the value of tan A? So in the triangle shown, we can see that angle B is 30 degrees and angle C is a right triangle, which means that it has a measure of 90 degrees. So C is 90 degrees. Since the sum of the angles in a triangle is equal to 180, the measure of angle A will be 180 minus 90 plus 30, which is nothing but 60. We already know that this is a 30, 60, 90 triangle, because if one angle is 90, the remaining two acute angles, the sum has to be 90. So if one is 30, the other will be 60. Or you can calculate by subtracting 90 and 30 from 180. And in a right triangle whose acute angles have measures 30 and 60, the lengths of the legs can be represented by the expression x root 3 and 2x. So if you go initially and observe the special right triangles, the 30, 60, 90 triangle, you can see that opposite to 60 is x root 3, opposite to 30 you have x, and opposite to the 90 degree the side length is 2x. So this is the ratio which is maintained. So why do we need that? Because the tan A, if you need opposite by adjacent length. We only know, as of now we know only the hypotenuse length. So since we know only the hypotenuse length, this can be used to calculate the opposite length as well as the adjacent length in this particular triangle. So we need tan of A, not tan of B. Because tan A, that means in other words we need tan of 60 degrees. So that we have to be careful whether we are taking the correct opposite side and the correct adjacent side to calculate the tan. So x is the length of the leg opposite the angle with measure 30 degrees. X root 3 is the length of the leg opposite to the angle with the measure 60 degrees. And 2x is the length of the hypotenuse. That means it is opposite to the 90 degrees. So in the triangle shown, the hypotenuse has a length of 54. So that means 2x side is 54, which means you can divide both sides by 2 to get the value of x. That will be 27. Therefore, the length of the leg opposite to B, angle B is 27, and the length of the leg opposite to angle A is x root 3, opposite to 60 degree is 27 root 3. So opposite to 30 degrees, let us mark 27, and opposite to the 60 degrees, because angle A is 60, we will mark 27 root 3. Now it is easy for us to visualize what is the tan of 60. So the tangent of an acute angle in a right triangle is defined as the ratio of the length of the leg opposite the angle to the length of the leg adjacent to the angle. So tan theta will be opposite side by adjacent side. The tangent of an acute angle in a right triangle is defined as the ratio of the length of the leg opposite to the angle to the length of the leg adjacent to the angle. The length of the leg opposite angle A, that is 27 root 3, opposite to angle 60, and the length of the leg adjacent to angle A is 27. So this is the adjacent and this is the opposite. So we have 27 root 3 divided by 27, and that will simplify to just root 3. So we can see that it matches to answer choice C. So that's all we have to do here. We just have to use the special right triangle ratio x root 3 and 2x, because we already know the hypotenuse 54. We can use that to calculate the other two sides and use that in the tan ratio. Tan is opposite by adjacent. So we have to just correctly locate which is the opposite side and which is the adjacent side.